Document Automation Hub to extract data from documents to pre-fill other documents in a workflow. Let's create a sample workflow for a business trip expense reimbursement to test the airSlate Workflow API and see how the data extraction bot works. First, the employee receives an email with a workflow link. Once they open the workflow and upload the scanned receipt, the expense report will be pre-filled with the receipt data. The employee then signs the report and it's getting redirected to the accountant for final approval. Now, let's see the workflow configuration in detail. First, we're going to create a new template for the business trip expense reimbursement. Name your template and add a redirect URL if needed. Next, we need to upload a business trip expense report to the template. Before uploading, make sure to encode the docx to base 64. The response retrieves the report ID and the array of merged and fillable fields. Now, go back to the airSlate account to set up the data extraction bot. Locate the template we have created in the Workflows tab. Open the workflow and click Configure. Select Add Documents to add a document placeholder to the workflow. An employee will use the placeholder to upload the receipt for data recognition. Set up the document placeholder. Add a descriptive title that will guide the employee through this step. Ensure the document placeholder goes first in the document's order, so the employee will open it first. Now, let's move to bots. Click All Bots in the bottom right corner. Start typing data extraction in the search bar. Select an attachment request form where the scanned receipt will be uploaded. Map receipt keywords to the expense report fields. set conditions for when the document recognition should be happening. Now, let's return to the API requests and create two steps for the template: employee and accountant. First, retrieve the default step ID. Rename the default step Recipient 1 to Employee. Finally, create a new step, Accountant. Assign the signature fields in the report to the employee and accountant respectively. To do so, copy and paste the field ID and step ID values into the corresponding fields. Now, let's publish the template version before running our workflow. We haven't published the template yet and can retrieve its version ID from the template creation response. We're going to use a multi-purpose endpoint to pre-fill the report with employee data from a database, send a workflow link to the employee and accountant, and subscribe to the corresponding webhook event. That's it. The workflow has been created. Check out our other demos to learn about all the ways Document Automation Hub can speed up your document workflows.